Unlock the power of turmeric, a deep dive into natural health solutions. The golden spice and its timeless appeal. Turmeric, also known as Curcuma longa, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. In cultures ranging from India's Ayurveda to China's ancient healing practices, this vibrant yellow spice has been revered for its remarkable medicinal properties. Today, we dive deep into the science behind turmeric and explore its potential as a natural remedy for a wide range of health concerns. Why turmeric deserves a spot in your health routine. Turmeric is not just a kitchen spice, it's a powerful natural healer. But why has it captured the attention of scientists and health enthusiasts alike? The answer lies in its active compound, curcumin, which boasts anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. According to research published by leading health institutions like the Mayo Clinic, National Library of Medicine, NIH, and Harvard Health, curcumin plays a significant role in preventing chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Let's explore the foundational health benefits of turmeric and how it can positively impact your life. How turmeric works in your body. 1. Oral health, the surprising benefits of turmeric for your teeth. Turmeric's impact on oral health stems from its bioactive compound, curcumin, which directly targets harmful oral bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, a major cause of cavities and gum disease. Curcumin inhibits the growth of these bacteria by disrupting their cellular processes, preventing them from adhering to tooth enamel and forming plaque. Additionally, curcumin blocks pro-inflammatory cytokines such as IL-6 and TNF-A, which contribute to gum inflammation and periodontal disease. The antioxidant properties of turmeric further protect oral tissues by neutralizing free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress that can damage gums and teeth. When used correctly, turmeric can promote a healthier oral environment, reduce the risk of infections, and even support natural teeth whitening by preventing bacterial buildup. Scientific backing. A study from Punjab University found that turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce gum diseases and improve overall oral hygiene. For those seeking a deeper dive into turmeric's health benefits. The best-selling book, Anti-Inflammatory Diet: Turmeric Recipes to Reduce Inflammation and Improve Health, by Dr. Mary J. Smith, available on Amazon, provides practical guidance and scientific insights into how turmeric can be used to combat various health issues, including oral health. Practical solution. Create a natural mouthwash by mixing turmeric powder with warm water and salt. Use it as a rinse to maintain oral health and reduce gum inflammation. 2. Skincare, fighting acne and signs of aging. Turmeric has been used for centuries in beauty treatments due to its powerful bioactive compound, curcumin, which directly impacts the skin's microbiome and inflammatory pathways. Curcumin inhibits pro-inflammatory cytokines such as IL-6 and TNF-A, which are responsible for acne, eczema, and other skin disorders. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties create a hostile environment for harmful bacteria, like Propionibacterium acnes, reducing breakouts. By neutralizing free radicals, turmeric also prevents oxidative stress, which contributes to premature aging, thereby improving overall skin health and promoting a youthful appearance. If you enjoy our content, click the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Evidence from modern research. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Dermatology showed that turmeric-based treatments significantly reduced acne lesions. For those interested in exploring the broader applications of turmeric in skincare and natural remedies, the best-selling book, Ayurvedic Medicine: The Ultimate Guide to Turmeric by Brown William, provides in-depth insights into turmeric's role in promoting overall skin health and reducing inflammation. DIY Turmeric Face Mask Recipe. Ingredients: 1 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp yogurt, 1 tsp honey. Instructions: mix the ingredients into a paste. Apply to your face for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Use twice a week for clearer skin. 3. Hair health. Strengthening from the roots. Hair loss is a concern for many, especially as we age. Turmeric can help strengthen hair follicles and promote growth. How it works. Turmeric's curcumin content plays a vital role in hair health by reducing inflammation in the scalp, which is often a root cause of hair loss and thinning. Inflammation can damage hair follicles, impairing their ability to produce healthy hair strands. Curcumin, through its potent anti-inflammatory properties, helps calm the scalp, creating a healthier environment for hair follicles to thrive. Additionally, curcumin stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen for optimal growth. Scientific evidence supporting turmeric's impact on hair health. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, 2020, highlighted curcumin's effectiveness in reducing scalp inflammation and promoting healthier hair growth. The study found that participants who applied curcumin-infused treatments experienced a significant reduction in hair thinning compared to the control group. Another research paper from the Korean Biospectrum Life Science Institute demonstrated that curcumin positively impacts hair follicle cells by extending the anagen growth phase of the hair cycle, resulting in thicker and stronger hair over time. This finding aligns with traditional Ayurvedic practices that have long recommended turmeric for hair care. Additionally, a 2017 review in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology emphasized curcumin's ability to inhibit the activity of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are often elevated in individuals experiencing hair loss due to conditions such as alopecia areata and androgenetic alopecia. By blocking these inflammatory pathways, curcumin reduces follicular damage and supports healthy hair regeneration. For a deeper understanding of turmeric's impact on overall health, The Healing Power of Curcumin, A Complete Guide to Natural Remedies, by Dr. David Frawley, a best-selling author and Ayurveda expert, provides comprehensive insights into curcumin's therapeutic potential. Another valuable resource is The Complete Book of Ayurvedic Home Remedies by Dr. Vasant Lad, which offers practical advice on using turmeric to treat a variety of hair and scalp conditions naturally. Turmeric Hair Mask Recipe, a nourishing boost for your scalp. Your scalp deserves the best care, and this turmeric hair mask delivers just that. Infused with the powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric, this mask is a game changer for anyone looking to improve hair thickness, reduce breakage, and promote healthier growth. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, preferably organic. 3 tablespoons coconut oil or olive oil for extra hydration. A few drops of essential oil, such as lavender or rosemary, for added scalp stimulation. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix the turmeric powder and coconut oil until you achieve a smooth paste. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to enhance the mask's soothing properties. Gently massage the mixture into your scalp, focusing on the roots and problem areas. Leave it on for 30 minutes to allow the mask to penetrate deeply. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. Pro tip: use this mask once a week for best results. Over time, you'll notice stronger, shinier hair and a healthier scalp environment. Help us grow by sharing this video with friends and family. It makes a big difference. 4. Boosting immunity, your body's natural shield. In times of global health concerns, having a robust immune system is crucial. Turmeric's immune-boosting properties primarily stem from its active compound, curcumin, which interacts with the immune system by modulating inflammatory responses. Curcumin activates key immune cells such as T cells, B cells, macrophages, and natural killer NK cells by binding to specific cellular receptors like toll-like receptors, TLRs, and modulating signaling pathways such as NF-κB and MAPK. This interaction leads to the regulation of gene expression involved in immune responses, promoting the production of cytokines and chemokines that enhance the immune system's ability to detect and destroy pathogens. Curcumin supports the differentiation and proliferation of these immune cells, ensuring a robust and adaptive immune defense. These cells play a pivotal role in identifying and neutralizing harmful pathogens. Additionally, curcumin inhibits pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-α and IL-6, which are responsible for chronic inflammation. For example, in rheumatoid arthritis, curcumin's suppression of these cytokines can reduce joint swelling and pain by preventing immune cells from attacking healthy tissues. Similarly, in inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, curcumin helps maintain intestinal lining integrity by lowering inflammation, thereby reducing symptoms like abdominal pain and diarrhea. By reducing systemic inflammation and enhancing the body's natural defenses, Turmeric helps maintain a balanced and responsive immune system. For instance, a study published by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, found that curcumin significantly decreased inflammation markers in patients with autoimmune diseases, thereby improving their overall immune response. This research highlights turmeric's potential as a supportive treatment for conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus, where chronic inflammation weakens the immune system. Moreover, curcumin's antioxidant properties protect immune cells from oxidative stress, ensuring they remain effective in combating infections. Why you should start using turmeric today. The potential health benefits of turmeric extend far beyond what most people realize. Supports oral health by reducing harmful bacteria and preventing gum diseases. Improves skin health through its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Promotes hair growth by reducing scalp inflammation and strengthening hair follicles. Boosts immunity by activating key immune cells and reducing chronic inflammation. Enhances brain function by reducing neuroinflammation and improving cognitive health. Helps manage chronic conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines. Acts as a natural antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress and preventing cellular damage. From improving brain function to reducing joint pain, its versatility is astounding. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable insights and tips. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Natural Remedies Science. Simple steps to start using turmeric. Ready to make turmeric a part of your daily life? Here's how. Golden milk. Mix turmeric, black pepper, and almond milk for a soothing drink. Immune boosting paste. Store a turmeric paste in your fridge and add it to your meals. Face and hair masks. Incorporate turmeric into your beauty routine for glowing skin and stronger hair. Daily supplements. Consider taking curcumin supplements after consulting with a healthcare provider. Anti-inflammatory tea. Brew a cup of turmeric tea by boiling water with turmeric powder, ginger, and lemon. This calming drink can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Turmeric oil for joint pain. Create a soothing turmeric oil by mixing turmeric powder with coconut or sesame oil. Massage it onto sore joints to alleviate pain and inflammation naturally. Turmeric toothpaste. Make your own natural toothpaste by blending turmeric with baking soda and coconut oil. Use it to promote oral health, reduce gum inflammation, and whiten teeth. Golden milk. Mix turmeric, black pepper, and almond milk for a soothing drink. Immune boosting paste. Store a turmeric paste in your fridge and add it to your meals. Face and hair masks. Incorporate turmeric into your beauty routine for glowing skin and stronger hair. Daily supplements. Consider taking curcumin supplements after consulting with a healthcare provider. By adding turmeric to your lifestyle, you'll be taking a proactive step toward better health and well-being. Don't wait, start your turmeric journey today. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your health routine. Final thoughts. Embrace the golden path to vibrant health. Turmeric isn't just another spice on your shelf. It's a time-tested treasure backed by centuries of wisdom and cutting-edge science. By embracing turmeric, you're choosing a natural, effective way to support your body, mind, and overall well-being. From boosting immunity to enhancing skin and hair health, the benefits are truly transformative. Why wait? Start adding this golden wonder to your daily routine and unlock the secret to lasting vitality and radiant health. Your journey to a healthier, brighter future begins with a single sprinkle. Turmeric isn't a magic cure-all, but its benefits are backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. From traditional Ayurvedic practices to cutting-edge research, the evidence is clear. Turmeric can play a key role in maintaining and improving your health. Incorporate turmeric into your life today and experience the power of natural healing for yourself. Thank you for your time and watching. If you found this valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it to spread these valuable insights. Wishing you a peaceful and joyful day ahead.